The IRS provides 3 sets of criteria for helping determine how to properly classify a worker, either as an independent contractor or as an employee. The first set of criteria involve behavioral control. If you can decide how a worker will perform her tasks, that worker is an employee. This includes deciding when and where to work, what tools to use, and how to use them. If you require a worker use specific software or a specific piece of equipment, or that worker performs work during set hours, such as normal business hours, you are probably treating that worker as an employee rather than as a contractor, which means you should classify that worker as an employee and not a contractor. The second set of criteria involve financial control. If you have a financial stake in the worker's activity, that worker is an employee. This includes making a significant investment in the tools or equipment used by the worker, or requiring the worker have an exclusive agreement with you, preventing her from taking on other clients or work. If you provide workspace and equipment for that contractor, that worker is probably an employee and not a contractor. The third set of criteria from the IRS focus on the relationship itself. If the relationship looks like it includes significant employee-like aspects, that worker is an employee. This includes performing a service that is part of the business's key activities, expectation of an ongoing or permanent relationship, or provision of employee-like benefits, such as insurance, vacation pay, or equity.